Your Excellency, President of the Conference, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to express my gratitude for the people and the government of Turkmenistan for their hospitality. Landlocked developing countries continue to face heightening challenges, including a lack of direct access to the sea, high transportation costs, and inadequate infrastructure. Geopolitical tensions, climate change, and high debt burden further compound these challenges. Ethiopia is of the conviction that the resources on the high seas, which represents roughly 50% of the planet's surface and 60% of the global ocean area, can drive prosperity for all countries. It is critical that we uphold the right of all states to guaranteed and secure access to the sea. This is a holistic right that goes beyond transit. It includes participation in maritime economic opportunities, environmental protection, and maritime security. The full implementation of this fundamental principle is necessary for ensuring sustainable and shared development and lasting peace. From this conference, Ethiopia expects to see a transformative focus and renewed global commitment. We hope to foster effective partnerships that mobilize resources and provide innovative solutions. In this spirit, we recommend the following. Ethiopia commends the Awaza Program of Action for proposing the establishment of high-level panel of experts to explore the means of implementing the equal right of all states to access the sea and ensure seamless access. We look forward to the introduction of a paradigm-shifting approach ensuring equal maritime rights for all states despite their territorial status. Strengthen regional integration and facilitate trade. We must invest in infrastructure creating connectivity of states of the same region. We urge our partners to finance projects and initiatives, especially in Africa, that aim at streamlining customs procedures, liberalize access to transport and logistics markets, and ease trade barriers. Promote technology and innovation and enhance sustainable financing. Partnerships should focus on building capacity and transferring technology, especially digital connectivity. We call for a significant increase in international financing for infrastructure development. Renewed global partnership. We should advocate for a renewed commitment to an inclusive, transparent, and effective global partnership to enable LLDs overcome their unique challenges and achieve their full potential for sustainable development. We urge development partners to support digitalization, coordinated border management, and harmonized transit regimes to unlock our full potential. On maritime governance, the commitments in the Awaza Program of Action should be applied in line with the rights of all states, including equal participation in maritime economic opportunities, protection of environmental rights in shared marine spaces, contribution to regional peace and security through collaborative maritime governance. All organizations established to deal with maritime access should involve all interested and concerned states with no distinction. Ethiopia reaffirms its commitment to the full implementation of the SDGs and the Awaza Program of Action and the call on our partners to redouble efforts into implementation of the Addis Ababa Action Agenda and civil compromise. I thank you.